Hey guys, a friend asked me to review this M12 oscillating tool. Basically what it is a multi-tool to cut all types of material, wood, nails, tiles, drywalls. This thing is super useful. I use it so much, and I tell you, I can't live without it. It's pretty awesome. Today I will show you some tips and tricks how to cut and how to replace the blade and what blade to use for different types of material. Let's do it. Okay, so I got my Milwaukee little box here, a blade set that I got. It's pretty neat. Some of the blade you can tell that this one can do metal and wood at the same time for cutting nails off. Some of them are wood only, some of them are carbide. And basically what it is, carbide is a tough material that can withstand a lot of heat, and it's much more durable. It can cut through metal. This is extremely nice to have. Some of them can do tiles, but you just gotta make sure you got the right blade for the right material. Some of them actually curve. It's meant for cutting wood on a curve to get you that nice smooth finish. All right, so your pack comes with a hex key. This hex key is very important. Please don't lose it. All right, so you don't have to use WD-40, but I love to use it on mine because it loosens it up a little bit. Makes life a lot easier. Just a little bit right here. Turn it counterclockwise, boom. Makes it so much easier to remove. All you do is loosen it up a little bit until the grooves gets loose, then you can slide it out. And all you have to do, replace it by sliding it in the groove. And then tighten it up. Make sure it's super tight because it does vibrate a lot. And you're done. That's how you change the blade, super easy. This is a dial for you to increase the intensity, how hard you want to cut it. Basically it vibrates a lot faster, so it can mow down more wood, more material. Let's try it out. Score that real quick. This is the power button. Basically take your time, but you can definitely score it. And then if you really want to, like butter, super easy. Let's try another material. Okay, I just changed the blade. This is nail and wood. So this is a tool to remove the nails, and it's super hard to cut it. This will do the job. I'm gonna show you how. Super clean, look at that. Oh, and by the way, it does come with a sander, a triangle sander edge. So for tough spots to sand or on the edge, it's also an adapter for you to sand certain places. So I thought that was really cool to share. Okay, so I got some drywall here. I'll show you how to cut the electrical box, what I got right here. How to score, cutting with the oscillating tool. So I like to score the outline. And all you have to do, use this oscillating tool. That's it, nice and clean, super easy. Thank you for watching. let me know, comment, subscribe.